Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to create a Discord server. Let's see how to do it. Tap on plus icon, create my own, select any option like gaming, school club, study group, friends and etc. Select any option for a club or community, then for me and my friends. Select any option. You can upload a photo and type the server name. And create a server. Now you can share your server link. By doing this process, you can easily create your server on Discord. Thanks for watching. If it's found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.